So that's what this is, rubber solvent.
That's used to clean it?
Yep. Obviously, we want to get it nice and dry too, okay? So now we got that. This is a patch plug because it's got a patch
And the plug.
and a plug. All right. So it's got two little covers. It's got this bottom one that we're going to take off, and then it's also got this top clear one. You got to get both of them off for it to do everything we need it to do, okay? So we're going to put this in the hole. Then, usually you can get regular size channel locks. These were the ones that were closest, so. And that'll happen sometimes. Hold on, I'm gonna get.
First time you put that on camera either.
Got that on camera, that.
All right. So I'm going to look. I'll make sure my inside is there. And you know what? I was rushing to explain this to you guys. I screwed up. Now there's a step in here that we got to do. We got to put down our cement first.
Clean with cement.
See the glue? Take my covers off. I'll check, make sure it's down. Now, the next thing is this tool. It's called a stitcher. Okay? You actually go back and forth over the top in all directions, making sure that it's stitched in to the base of the tire. I see it, Joe. Just hang on. All right? Now, we're also going to put a little bit of vulcanizing cement on top, just to make sure that the ends hold down good. Somebody got a lighter? When you guys do this part, you are not going to do this. In a real shop, you will see this. Here, you're going to let it air dry. Okay? That 30 seconds that you just saw helps the glue dry up and kind of just melt and seal together. Now, if you want extra insurance, somebody grab me a can of bead sealer. It should be on the I believe it's on the table with the wheel weights real quick. The black and red can. Theoretically, this ought to be good now. I like to use a little dab of bead sealer on the inside just to make sure. Because the one thing you don't want is a car coming back in, okay? So this is kind of like I've done everything right. I know it'll hold, but you know what? Sometimes stuff happens. So bead sealer. Notice where I'm paying extra attention to. The edges.
Just the silly.
Yep, that's all I want. I want just a little bit in there.
It's like a pattern.
Pretty much. Like I said, it's my insurance policy. Now, the very last step. See how that's sticking out above? We don't want you're not going to just cut it here like that, because then every time the customer goes down the road, until it wears down, they're going to hear thump, 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 thump. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to pull it up a little, then cut. Look how it made it nice and flush with the tread. So now it'll wear right with the tread.
Yeah. Doesn't even like nudge over it.
Nope. Makes sense?
How long did you do the fire thing? How many seconds?
You're not going to do it in here, but in a real shop, probably about 30 seconds. If you don't do that, you want to give it about 2 minutes to dry before you go and put the bead sealer on it. Right? Any other questions? You guys have to do this at some point. This is one of those you have to submit your own video for. Because I need to be able to see that you can repair a tire. Okay? We do have quite a few patch plugs here. I have a couple more in the classroom. I will order some more too. So we'll have some more when we get back from break. Don't go too crazy with the chemicals because it's what I got for now. Right? But I got to get a couple of things set up. So if there's 2-3 people who maybe want to start doing this, you're welcome to do it. You got to make your hole with the drill first.
All right.
I need somebody to volunteer pulling in 2 cars for me. Everybody else, you can take a couple minutes and practice on the machine.